When people think about improving their financial situation, they often look for big changes. But in reality, most financial outcomes are not driven by single decisions. They are shaped by small actions repeated over time. Consistency plays a much larger role in personal finances than most people realize. At a basic level, consistency means doing something regularly, even when the immediate results are not visible. In financial life, this could be saving a fixed amount every month, investing regularly, or simply maintaining control over spending habits. Individually, these actions may seem insignificant, but over time, they begin to create measurable results. One of the clearest examples of this is compound growth. When money is invested consistently, it does not just grow based on the original amount. It grows on previous gains as well. This creates a snowball effect where growth starts slowly but accelerates over time. Research in behavioral finance shows that people often underestimate this process. They expect visible results too quickly and lose motivation when progress feels slow. As a result, they either stop investing or become inconsistent, which breaks the compounding cycle. Consistency is not just about investing, it also applies to spending behavior. Studies on consumer habits suggest that a large portion of monthly expenses comes from repeated patterns rather than one-time decisions. Subscriptions, daily purchases, convenience spending, these small recurring costs often go unnoticed. However, when they are repeated over months and years, they form a significant portion of total spending. This is why consistent awareness can be just as powerful as consistent saving. Another important factor is decision fatigue. When people have to make too many financial decisions frequently, the quality of those decisions tends to decline. This often leads to impulsive spending or poor financial choices. Consistency helps reduce this problem. When certain financial actions become automatic, like saving a portion of income or following a set spending pattern, fewer decisions are required. This reduces mental pressure and increases the likelihood of better long-term outcomes. There is also evidence that consistency creates stability. Income may fluctuate, markets may rise and fall, and unexpected expenses may occur. But consistent financial habits provide a level of control within that uncertainty. For example, someone who invests regularly does not rely on timing the market. Instead of trying to predict short-term movements, they focus on maintaining a steady approach. Over time, this reduces the impact of volatility and creates more stable growth. In contrast, inconsistent behavior often leads to reactive decisions. People may invest when markets are high and panic when prices fall. This pattern tends to reduce overall returns and increase financial stress. Another overlooked aspect is how consistency shapes identity. When people repeatedly follow certain financial behaviors, those actions become part of their routine. Over time, saving, investing, and controlled spending no longer feel like effort. They become normal behavior. This shift is important because financial success is rarely the result of short-term discipline. It is usually the result of long-term habits. Consistency also works in reverse. Just as positive habits build wealth slowly, negative habits can erode it. Small, repeated overspending or ignoring financial planning may not seem serious in the short term, but over years, the impact becomes significant. What makes consistency powerful is not intensity, but duration. Large one-time efforts often create temporary results, but small repeated actions shape long-term outcomes. In personal finance, this difference is critical. In the end, financial progress is less about making perfect decisions and more about maintaining reliable ones. The people who achieve stable financial growth are not always the ones who take the biggest risks or make the smartest moves. More often, they are the ones who simply stay consistent. And over time, consistency does what occasional effort never can.